Welcome to another video from UltimateAlgebra.com. In this lesson, we will learn how to use parentheses, where to use parentheses, why we use parentheses, and how to remove parentheses. Now, parentheses is mainly used to group terms, such that any operation affects every term in the parentheses. Example, 2 times, in parentheses, 3a plus 5. The 2 affects both the 3a and the 5. So we can expand it into 2 times 3a plus 2 times 5. Notice that the 2 is multiplying both the 3a and the 5. Parentheses for order of operations. In the order of operations, parentheses tells us which operation to perform first. Operations in parentheses are always performed first. Example, 2a plus, in parentheses, 3a plus 5a plus 4b. When we have a question like this, we perform the operation in the parentheses first. So we add the 3a and the 5a to get 8a. Next, we work on the 2a and the 4b. We know that we can add the 2a to the 8a to get 10a. And because the 4b is dissimilar, we just write it. Parentheses and exponents. The most confusing thing to students is dealing with exponents on parentheses. Example, in parentheses, 2a plus b squared. Students are tempted to expand it as 2a squared plus b squared. This is very wrong. We treat terms in parentheses as though it is one number. Example, 5 squared expands as 5 times 5. This is equal to 25. So when we have, in parentheses, 2a plus b squared, we expand it as, in parentheses, 2a plus b times, in parentheses, 2a plus b. We will learn how to work this out in the next lesson, so don't worry about the expansion. Let's move on. Any number of terms may be removed from a parentheses preceded by the plus sign without a change in the terms. Example, in this expression, you notice that c minus d plus e is in parentheses, and the parenthesis is preceded by a plus sign. We are saying that the sign of the terms in the parenthesis does not change. This is because the parenthesis is preceded by a plus sign, so we still get a plus b plus c minus d plus e. Any number or terms may be enclosed in parentheses preceded by a plus sign without any change in the terms. Example, here we have a plus b plus c plus d minus e, and we want to place b plus c plus d minus e in parentheses. Because this is preceded by a plus sign, we can place them in parentheses without a change of the signs. Notice that the signs of B, C, D, and E are still the same. More on parentheses. Any number of terms may be removed from a parenthesis preceded by a minus sign by changing the sign of each term. Example, we have B plus C plus D minus E in parentheses, and the parentheses is preceded by a minus sign. If you want to remove the parentheses, then you would have to change the sign of each of the terms in the parentheses. The B was plus, it changes to minus. The C was plus, it changes to minus. The D was plus, it changes to minus. The E was minus, it changes to plus. Now, we move on. We are saying that any number of terms may be enclosed in parentheses preceded by the minus sign by changing the sign of each term. Example, here we want to put b plus c plus d minus e into parentheses. So, we said that if we want to precede this by a minus sign, then the sign of the terms in the parenthesis will change. The b was minus, it changes to plus. The c was plus, it changes to minus. The D was plus, it changes to minus. The E was minus, it changes to plus. This brings us to the end of this very important subject.
Thanks for watching. Encourage us to post more videos by liking and sharing. Also visit ultimatealgebra.com for more exclusive videos and get our free course that will help you build a strong math foundation and pass your next test easily.